Ang pinakauna po natin gagawin is papalitan po natin yung computer name and then maglalagay po tayo ng IP address. Okay, the computer name. And then maglalagay po tayo ng IP address. Click po natin IPv4. And then Ethernet, Properties. And then sa Ethernet Properties, makikita po natin dyan is the Internet Protocol version 4. Click, then Properties. And then click po natin use the following IP address at maglalagay na po tayo ng IP address. Ang ating pong IP address is 192.168.1.2. The subnet mask, default gateway 192.168.1.1. Preferred DNS server is 192.168.1.2. Click OK, then close. Then close. Then click the computer name. Click change. Okay. I-rename po natin siya. Lagay po natin kung ano po yung gusto nating computer name. Okay. Sa akin po is Spider. Then click OK. Then OK. Then close. Then restart now. Okay, mag-a-add na po tayo ng roles. Add roles. Then, skip this page by default. Click next. Then next. Okay, click next. And then, Active Directory Domain Services. Check po natin siya. And then, Add Features. Then next. 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 Then restart the destination server automatically if required. Then yes. Then install. Okay, aantayin lang po natin siya matapos. Then, kiklik po natin yung promote this server to a domain controller. Ito po yung pinaka-DC promo natin. Ano po? DC promo. Then, promote this server to a domain controller. Click. And then, add a new forest. Okay. Add new forest. And then root domain name. Ang root domain name ko is css.ph. Then click next. Then maglalagay tayo ng password for directory services restore mode. then next, then next, then lalabas po dyan sa NetBIOS domain name is CSS. Then click next. Next ulit. Click next. Then install. Then close. And then you're about to be signed out. Magre-restart po ang ating Windows, ang ating server 2012. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Then password. My password is CSS_2021. Okay. Ayun po yung ating mga in-install, yung mga roles. And then ngayon po ay install pa man po natin si DHCP. Click manage. And then add roles features. Then next. Click next. And then click po natin yung DHCP server. And then add features. Click next. Click next. Next. And then restart the destination server automatically if required. Then yes. Then install. And then click complete DHCP configuration. Click next. Then commit. Then close. Then close. And then click Tools. Then click DHCP. Then to make a new scope. Okay, new scope. Then click next. Scope name is CSS_DHCP. Click next. Okay, start IP address. My start IP address is 192.168.1.3. And end IP address is 192.168.1.25. And then click next. Click next. Then click next. Then configure DHCP option. And then the router default gateway is 192.168.1.1. And then click add. And then click next. Then the domain. The server name is Spider. then resolve. Makita nyo po is pareho po yung IP address na nadun po sa baba, ano po, kaya okay na po yan. Then click next. Okay, click next, and then yes, I want to activate this scope now. Then next, then finish. Then close the DHCP. Then click the tools. Then click Active Directory Users and Computer. Okay, under the CSS.ph, makikita nyo po dyan yung user. Click user, and then admin, right click admin user, then click copy. And then malalagay po natin dyan yung first name natin. My first name is William. Last name is San Pascual. And then my user logon name is Spider. Then click next. And then user cannot change password. Click. Then password never expired. Click. And then my password is malaking S. CSS _ 2021. Ano po? Click next, then finish. Then click CSS, right click, and then new, then organizational unit, add an organizational unit, and then new object. Maglagay po tayo ng department. My department is Spider Department. Click OK. And then meron na po dyan. Click user. Lalabas po dyan yung ginawa natin kaninang account. William San Pascual, the user. And then drag lang po natin papunta siya sa Spider Department. Then click yes. And then close. Okay, click Tools, and then Group Policy Management. Then under the forest, Domain, CSS. Nandiyan po yung Spider Department. Click lang po natin. And then right click, create a GPO. And then name is Redirection. Click OK. And then redirection, right click, and then edit. Okay, under the policies. Okay. Under the policies, makikita po natin dyan yung administrative templates, then network, and then offline files. Offline files. Click, then allow, double click, and then enable, then apply, click OK. Balik po tayo. Under the user configuration is policies, and then Windows setting, makikita po natin dyan yung folder redirection. Nandiyan po yung desktop natin tinatawag. So under desktop, babalik po tayo dun sa ano. Pupunta po tayo sa local disk C. Ayan. Local disk C. At gagawa po tayo ng folder named shared folder. Then right click, shared folder, properties. And then punta tayo sa sharing. And then click share. And then click everyone, then add, and then read and write. Then click share, then done. And makikita nyo po sa advanced sharing, nakashare na yung folder. And then the permission is dapat is full control. Click OK. Okay, then close. Then shared folder, makikita po natin yung properties. Kukunin po natin yung path, na network path. Yan, copy lang po natin the network path. Balik po tayo dito, desktop, then properties, settings, basic, then the root path, yung kinapi po natin kanina, the spider shared folder, then apply, yes, then okay. Then close, close. Punta po tayo sa this PC, then computer, then map network drive, then folder, lalagay din po natin dyan yung kinapi natin, the shared folder, yung pinakapat niya, and then finish. Yan. Kinuha po natin siya dyan sa shared folder, yung properties, and then the sharing, then the network path. Ayan, kinapi lang po natin siya dyan. Then okay. Close. Yan, kinapi natin dyan, then finish. Okay, pupunta ngayon tayo sa Windows 7. Under the Windows 7, punta po tayo sa folder. And then click natin yung network. Then network discovery and files turn, dapat po ito-turn on natin siya. Then yes, turn on network discovery and files. And then punta po tayo sa network and sharing center para po magpunta tayo sa pinaka natin, sa local area connection. Then disable, and then enable para po mag-connect yung dalawa. Okay, public network. Makikita nyo po is ang network name niya is CSS.ph na rin po, kagaya po ng server 2012 natin. Okay, close. Check po natin kung nag-connect na siya. CMD. Okay, the IPv4 of this PC is 192.168.1.3. Ayun po yung IP address po ng Windows 7. So, piping po natin yung 192.168.1.2. Yun po yung server natin. Makikita po natin dito is connected na po, zero loss po siya. And then magpapalit po tayo ng domain name. Click computer, then properties, change settings, then click change domain, click domain. Ang ating domain name is css.ph, then click OK, and lalabas po dyan is computer name, domain, and change. Ano daw po yung natin dyan, yung username and password. The username and password is makikita po natin sa server 2012, which is makikita po natin siya sa pinaka-user. sa Active Directory users and computer. Ayan, makikita po natin dyan. The account name is Spider. Ayan po yung Spider ang pinaka-account name natin. Balik po tayo. The username is Spider. Then password is CSS _ 2021. Then okay. Welcome to the CSS domain. Then okay. Then magre-restart po yung Windows 7 natin. Restart now. Ayan. Control Alt Delete. Then password, switch user, other users. Okay, Spider. And then CSS _ 2021. Click the folder. Then computer. And then map network drive. And then ilalagay po natin dyan yung yung pinakapat doon sa shared folder natin. Ano po ba yun? Shared folder path. Copy po natin siya. Sharing, Spider shared folder. Copy po natin siya. And then itatype po natin dito, mano-mano. And then click finish. And then click Spider. Punta tayo sa desktop, then properties. Para maiayos po natin yung ating security. Okay, click edit. Then add. Enter administrator. Then click OK. Click OK, administrator, and then allow full control and modify. Then apply, and then OK. Then OK. Computer, and then the shared folder, right click. Spider, desktop. And right click shared folder, and then disconnect. Yan, disconnect po daw natin siya. Click yes. Okay, close. Ayan. Okay, test po natin ano. Punta tayo sa folder. Punta tayo sa shared folder, and then Spider, then desktop. Maglagay po tayo dyan ng folder. nakalagay po dyan, from server 2012. 2012. Ayan, maglagay din po tayo ng notepad. Then, lagyan natin ng note. Okay, this notepad is created in Windows on Windows Server 2012. Save. And then, punta po tayo sa Windows 7. Makikita po natin dyan na dito po yung ginawa natin sa Windows as a Server 2012. Ayan po. This notepad created in Server 2012. And then, baliktarin natin. Gawa naman tayo sa Windows 7. Folder. From server, gawin natin siyang from Windows 7. Lagay po tayo ng notepad. Then note. Okay, this note created in Windows 7. Save. And makikita po natin is mag-a-appear siya sa server natin. Yan po yung ginawa natin sa Windows 7. Okay, install naman po tayo ng roles. Okay, click Manage, Add Roles. Next. And then, Remote Desktop Services. Click Next. Click Next. Next. Then, Remote Desktop Licensing. Add Features. Then, click Next. Then, Install. Then click Close. Okay, punta po tayo sa local server. Under the remote desktop, makikita nyo po is naka-disable siya. Remote desktop. And then click Allow Remote Connection to this computer. Then Apply. Click OK. Punta naman po tayo sa Windows 7. Punta tayo sa Computer. Right click Computer. Then Properties. Then Remote Settings. And then allow connection from computer running any version of remote desktop less secure. Then apply. Click OK. Then close. tayo sa Windows. Yung computer, yun po yung yung IP address po ng Windows 7. Okay, nagbukas po tayo ng remote desktop. View certificate, install certificate, then click next, then finish, then okay. Okay. Don't ask me again connection for this computer, then click next. Makikita po natin dyan, mariremote na po natin sa server 2012 yung client natin na tinatawag. Ano po? The IP address is 192.168.1.3. Then close. Then all done.